Hey guys, what's up? So today we've got an unboxing, well, not really an unboxing, more of an unpacking. So I got something pretty cool sent to me by one of my subscribers. So his channel is That One LT1. I'll link him down below so you guys can go check him out. He owns a few of his own buses. But anyways, he sent me something that he no longer had a need for, and figured I might be able to use it with 50. So let me get my scissors so I can open this. So let's just go ahead and get into it. Alright. So this is something that's pretty cool. It's something that I had thought about getting for 50 if I could ever find one. But, well, let's just look at it and we'll get into that. So, might be able to tell, I don't know, by the markings it's a winter front. So anyways, he did include a C2 keychain, which we'll grab that real quick, take a look at it. Oh, I don't think I have this style of C2 keychain actually. No, I don't actually have this C2 keychain, so that's pretty cool. Got the phone number and the website for Matthews buses. So, pretty cool. I do not have this actual style of Thomas keychain. I only think I have one C2 keychain, so that's awesome. Anyways, here's the little snaps for the winter front. Set that right there. Got the instructions, and then the actual winter front, which will unfold it and take a look here. Whoops. Let's see here. If I can not drop everything on the floor. Oh. Guess this came with a little sticker. Anyway. If I can unfold this. Let me see. I'll have to put it on the seat and show you guys. So here's the winter front. It's kind of hard to show in this kind of space, but basically, I mean, it's a first-gen winter front. So that's awesome. Like I was saying, it's something that I had thought about getting for 50 eventually. I don't know how I feel about putting the holes into the hood for the snaps, but at least it's something I've got now if I feel like I want to do it. I do have that other hood with the black top that's first gen hood. I feel like if that ever ended up on this bus, I'd probably put it on that, which I'm not even saying I'm not going to put this on the hood that's on it now, but I just got to think about it if I want to put the holes for the snaps into this hood, because it's 50's original hood, you know. So but thank you very much for sending me the winter front. From what he told me, he had a first gen, and he was originally going to put this on it, but then he ended up getting rid of that bus. So he didn't have a use for it, so he sent it to me and sent the little C2 keychain. So thank you very much for the winter front and the keychain. Like I said, I got to think about if I actually want to put it on 50 right now, but I've at least got it, so you know, it's here. I do think 50 would look pretty cool with a winter front. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Go check out his channel. Like I said, I will put it down below for you guys to go look at it. And he has a few of his own buses. So, with that being said, thanks for watching, and yeah.